Welcome back to Smart Tech and Biz, your premier destination for the intersection of cutting-edge innovation and the global markets that power it. From the silicon in your pocket to the energy grids of tomorrow, we break down the trends that matter for your business and your tech-driven lifestyle. If you want to stay ahead of the curve in the rapidly evolving tech economy, hit that subscribe button. Today, we're diving into a major market shift, the resurgence of a battery technology that could change the automotive industry forever. Just when the world thought the lithium crisis was over, the market threw a curveball. After peaking at over $80,000 a ton in 2022, battery-grade lithium carbonate prices nosedived to under $10,000 as supply grew and demand softened. But the peace was short-lived. Prices have begun rocketing again due to artificial supply squeezes and regulatory mine closures in China, jumping from $17,000 in December to $26,000 in January. This volatility is forcing the world's biggest battery makers, BYD and CATL, to unfreeze their commercial sodium-ion production projects. For years, Lithium Iron Phosphate, or LFP, has been the darling of the mass-market EV world. However, sodium-ion batteries are entering the scene as a safer and more affordable hedge against soaring lithium costs. Sodium batteries are inherently safer because they don't contain volatile lithium. According to CATL's CEO, this chemistry is now advanced enough to potentially replace half of the current LFP market. In mass-market electric vehicle, the biggest promise of sodium ion is its performance in unforgiving conditions. Right now, at the Yakshi Winter Testing Ground in Inner Mongolia, temperatures are plunging to 35 degrees Celsius, 31 degrees. CATL is currently testing its Naxtra sodium-ion battery pack in retail passenger vehicles, specifically the Chang'an Ocean Series sedan. The results, which will be detailed on February 5th, are expected to prove that these batteries are truly all-weather. CATL has already unveiled a pack for commercial vehicles that retains 90% of its capacity at 40 degrees C and maintains normal charging capabilities at 30 degrees C. This shift isn't just about cars. The booming energy storage and EV export industries are driving this new demand for alternative chemistries. And while cars get new batteries, so do our mobile devices. Reports indicate a new Xiaomi smartphone is tipped to launch with a massive $8,500 mAh battery. To manage the heat of such a high-capacity cell, it may even feature a built-in cooling fan. Whether it's a sodium-ion jump starter you can buy on Amazon or a high-capacity smartphone, the battery game is changing fast. The lithium roller coaster continues to disrupt the industry. But with giants like BYD and CATL backing sodium ion, we are seeing the birth of a more resilient energy future. What do you think? Is sodium the answer to the winter EV range problem? Let us know in the comments below. For more insights into the business of technology, keep it locked right here on Smart Tech and Biz. We'll see you in the next one.